Hello everyone, you're all welcome to this training workshop. My name is Megle Ngozi Ida. I am your workshop presenter today. Yes, most of you must have been sent here by your company to come for this training section. I'm glad to have every one of you. Today we're going to be learning or training that concerns maintaining good personal hygiene in your places of work. You need to know how to stay safe. After touching irons, oil, whatever thing you are using to do your work, you should wash your hands. When you go to the loo, the toilet, wash your hands. When you visit the sick, wash your hands. When you touch animals, wash your hands. Before touching food or fruits and after touching them, wash your hands. Everybody should learn how to wash hands on a regular basis, under clean running water. If you visit the sick, wash your hands or use alcohol-based sanitizer. You get to wash for 20 seconds. We are also advised to wash to our elbow, especially if you don't wear long sleeve. As you come back to your homes, you must have touched iron surfaces on the way, you must have touched people. As you come back from work, so that you don't infect your children, your family members, wash your hands. We all know that these germs is everywhere. At home, we should learn to wash our hands as well. Disinfect surfaces that are iron, metal. Wash children's toys. Disinfect it to keep it safe. I know many of us have questions to ask at this time, but I would suggest that when we come back from our break, we want to take each of our questions. I have a script here I'm going to give to everybody, so that you will read it, you give me feedback. I will also advise us that if you find somebody who is sick of flu, who has not taken any vaccine, could be your loved one, could be your family members, could be friends, and the person cannot breathe very well, the person is always tired, sickly, please, we advise that such person should be taken to the hospital for proper treatment. Better still, from 6 years above, 6 months above, should be able to have this vaccine given to him or her each year to prevent the spread of flu. we need to be very conscious. We need to stay safe. Yes, I suggest that we keep maintaining this good health habit in our workplace, at home, and we should teach it to friends and family members what we have learned today. You don't keep it to yourself. We need to be watchful and stay away from the sick. You need to give a distance and always wash your hand after visiting the sick. When you throw away the garbage, please wash your hands. We all need to learn how to cope the spread of infectious diseases. So now we're going to go on a break, and as we come back, I want us to have questions that we're going to ask me, and I want people to also give me feedbacks on what we have discussed. And we are going to practicalize washing our hands on a clean running water for 20 seconds, because most people don't know how to wash their hands thoroughly. Thank you. I want you to go for a break and come back later.